All right, I'm here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we're going to discuss a issue that is very, very recent. It's something David actually heard on the radio recently, and that is that the city of Los Angeles has a very large backlog of repairs that need to be done to city property, mostly sidewalks. So this is not uncommon in the state of California. I think everyone knows the economy in the state of California is not in the best condition, so a lot of stuff is being pushed back. Well, there's actually a class action lawsuit as it relates to injuries because of these poor walking conditions through the state. So, David, I know slip and fall, trip and fall, those type of injuries are very prevalent when the sidewalk is not in good shape. What actually is going on in the city of Los Angeles right now?
Well, when I did, excuse me, when I heard on the radio, apparently there is currently a class action lawsuit going on by everybody who's a handicap. And their position is that some of these sidewalks are in such disrepair and the concrete is just mangled up to the point to where if they want to travel through with their wheelchair or if they're crutches or things of that nature, the sidewalk presents a dangerous condition for them to where if they try to go through that area, they may end up either tripping, falling, or their wheelchair might fall down or might not be able to traverse over that area. So they're saying that what then they have to do is go off the sidewalk, go out into the street, which again is another dangerous condition in and of itself because you could always get hit by cars passing by and they can't see you, or there's not enough room between any parked cars and for yourself to go by to pass that area of the sidewalk that's in disrepair that is presenting a danger to them. And so that's how the entire group of residents within the city of LA are becoming a class as a group and filing a claim against the city of Los Angeles saying, you know what, you need to repair these sidewalks. I mean, every year we get taxed for it. There's taxpayer money going. A lot of times the city says, well, you know, there's tons and tons of roadways that we have to go ahead and repair. But a lot of times the reason why these sidewalks are cracked is because of tree roots causing it to crack and become in a situation of disrepair or causing it to rise up. I've handled cases, a lot of cases, where clients are walking on the sidewalk, even if it's not in disrepair, the tree root has caused an uplift or rise in the sidewalk, and it's enough to where it catches the front of your foot or your shoe, and then it causes you to just fall down. And a lot of times suffer severe injuries. I had one case where my client fell down so hard she didn't even have enough time to brace her fall with her hands. It's just her elbows hit and her head hit the ground, and she had a big old bruise the size of a baseball on her forehead. So it's pretty serious conditions. It's a pretty dangerous condition. And the city always says, well, you know, there's tons and tons of roadways. How are we going to go ahead and repair it? Well, there's a lot of ways. I mean, they've got city employees who are picking up trash. They got city employees who are going out checking the meters. They got city employees that check and trim these trees down. So our argument is you got all these notices. You have all these avenues of finding out if there's an uplift and if there is to fix the problem. But again, as it is, a lot of times, I don't know why, they always come back and say, oh, we didn't know about it, oh, we couldn't fix it, or claim budget issues. But again, a lot of times the budget's there and they could get it, but they just don't do it.
So if you happen to be an individual who sees these sidewalks or has been injured with these sidewalks, and unfortunately if you are handicapped and if you've been injured because of something of this nature, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. The phone number will be above in the YouTube video as well as in the information below. And thank you for your time, David.
Thank you.